And Chocco, you gonna eat some ham? There's Chocco eating ham, and there's Cat eating ham. And we told Penny we had more ham left, but I don't know where she went. I haven't seen her.
Maybe she's upstairs.
Cat, you're not gonna eat your ham? Let her eat it. I'm sure Chocco or Penny will eat it if you don't. Penny's taking off for Thanksgiving, I guess.
Oops.
Hey, hit the cat right in the head with a piece of ham.
Here, you want some turkey? Chocco.
Oh, it's turkey.
Yeah, Chocco. Here, you want this? Don't go near your cat's food, whatever you do.
Yeah, no cat fighting.
And what's funny, Chocco is the latest one out of the whole house full of cats. And so is Penny. He's the fat boy.
Yeah, I know. There's a lot of cat there.